Howdy, howdy, everybody. Brian here from quantlabs.net. November 5th. We still hanging in the balance with this U.S. election. It seems that nothing's really changed on the money flow front, but what I wanted to show was the Russell 2000 with this business of the U.S. Exchanges or indices doing well. The top one has been exactly the Russell 2000. Not by much, but it seems to be a correct prediction. We'll just let it be at that. So we've talked about this since Monday, Tuesday, now today, 2 days later. And you can see here the longs that we have on the USD 2000, which is the Russell. Yeah, so you can see the Russell's up by 2.56 versus the other ones are not even at 2. Okay, so let's continue along. So things are looking good in turn domestically in the States, but internationally, I think the U.S. is taking a hit with this fiasco of who's winning what. So there's still a safe haven play going on, even though everything's been pretty well flat. These are day moves, as you can see here. So we do have some safe havens playing, like the British pound and the Swiss franc. So there is some sort of activity taking place, but a lot of it really has not changed. But internally or domestically, the U.S. is doing okay. You can see here New Zealand and the Swiss franc again, long Canadian and the Swiss franc. So the Swiss franc's picking up a lot of longs there. Now, when you look at gold, silver, it's got a short. So who knows there. Sugar seems to be kind of moving up a little bit, not much, but it's been doing okay. Hungary, I mentioned as well, but you can see here it is legging up, but it's just kind of barely moving again. So currencies are just not doing all that, are not that strong, it seems. Moving along on the British pound and the Australian dollar, these are now at the very good score. So a lot of consolidating going on as well. But to be honest, it's just nothing's really moving except what's going on. You can see consolidation in the British pound and the US dollar. So the US dollar seems to be, not really moving it up a lot as it should, based upon what I'm seeing here. The UK 100's got a long, but it's been doing okay the last few days. You can see there. Meanwhile, the UK gilts, the 10-year bond, are just flat. I think it's just a matter of wait and see what happens here. Euro Swiss franc again along there, but there's a mix with short. It's all over the place, but nothing really solid to confirm except for sugar, and even sugar I'd be questioning as well. Here's one that looks good: is the Australian Swiss franc is looking pretty good the last few days. Australia, New Zealand's doing okay. Everything else just seems not too good. Canada, Swiss franc. I don't know. Some longs. Canada in, let's see here. Canada in Singapore's got 2 longs out of 3. So here we're going to start looking at gold. Still a short there. And then we get into Germany 10-year, more shorts there. Actually, that one's looking pretty good for the Deutsche 30. France is doing pretty good. Look at that. That's pretty strong, actually. That's a French 40. Very strong, very strong. Sugar. So I would say France is looking pretty good. Let's see how Europe's doing. Europe's doing too good, is good there. Singapore's doing well, 30. So the international markets are looking pretty good, as well as India's fairly flat, but it's trending up. So that's pretty well it for now. We'll leave it at that. Hopefully this will help you out. Talk to you soon.